During the approach and withdrawal of equipment, avoid aircraft damage. Driving close to an aircraft, particularly when approaching and moving away, requires great vigilance. Whatever type of equipment, it can constitute an immediate danger for the aircraft if it is driven without due precaution, brake check not carried out, excessive speed, non-compliant positioning, or chocking are all situations that may lead to aircraft damage. In 2017, 70 collisions between aircrafts and equipment were reported. If an impact goes unnoticed or unreported, it may jeopardize the safety of the flight. To avoid these unnecessary risks, simply follow 4 rules. Move at a reduced speed around the aircraft and test the brakes before each positioning. Be guided while approaching and moving away. Apply the parking brake and chalk your vehicle once positioned. Check the condition of the fuselage after the operation. Lay the ground for a safe flight.